MultiPlus-II Inverter, Servo GX, GX Touch, Negative plug cable, Socket set, Positive plug cable, Communication line between battery and Servo GX, Communication line between inverter and Servo GX. First, use the socket wrench to loosen the positive and negative battery stud screws of the inverter. Connect the copper nodes of the positive battery plug wire and the positive terminal of the Servo GX power cord to the positive terminal of the inverter and fasten the screws. Similarly, connect the copper nodes of the negative battery plug wire and the negative terminal of the Servo GX power cord to the negative terminal of the inverter and screw on. Finally, tighten with socket wrench. If you are connecting multiple battery packs to the inverter through the bus, you can also connect the Servo GX positive and negative power cables to the bus. Connect one end of the network cable used for communication between the inverter and Servox to the VE bus port of the inverter. The communication cable used is a standard network cable. Insert the positive and negative plug wires into the positive and negative terminals of the battery according to the mark or color. When inserting the wires, hold the button on the plug and then insert them. Insert the communication cable battery and between the battery and the Servo GX into the communication port of the master battery pack. Select the communication protocol by setting dip switch. For Victron, keep all dip switches in off-state down state. Insert the communication cable between the battery and Servo GX inverter and into the Servo GX BMS CAN port, and insert the other end of the communication cable into the Servo GX VE bus port. Plug the GX Touch cable into the HDMI and USB ports on the Servo GX. Finally, plug in the Servo GX's power cord. Turn the battery pack on and wait for a while, and we can see that the Servo GX turns on correctly and shows that the battery pack is connected. We turned on the inverter switch and found that the inverter was correctly connected to Servo GX. With GX Touch, we can see that the battery pack and inverter have been properly connected. Click Battery Pack Details. We can see the battery pack details there.